Okay, so have you ever made a hat and it asked you to knit like 100 rows or 80 rows or this one I actually did 120 rows. And you get it and you're like, this is way too long to be a hat. And then you go on to the Sentro knitting machine Facebook group and they're like, well, turn it in on itself. Or you need to double it up, but you have no idea what that means. So this is what doubling up a hat means. So this is my tube. I decided I wanted it a little bit bigger, so I made it 120 rows. Usually I make them 100 rows, but I find that it doesn't really cover my ears at 100. And I have gone ahead and I've cinched closed both ends. Okay, just like that. Now I am going to double this up by stuffing this in into the other one. So basically you're going to take, I like to take one in and kind of turn it in on itself. I'm going to grab hold of it and then I'm going to go ahead and just work this, like that. And it is a little bit, it's much bigger this time. Excuse my animals. And then I am now doubled up. So instead of having that huge long hat, I have a hat this size. And it actually, you can kind of pick and choose which side you want. So I can either have it this way or I can have it this way. So it's double-sided. It has, it's much warmer this way than trying to do it first or single, and the bottom doesn't curl up. You can also fold these up if you make enough rows and make a brimmed hat. But that's what they mean when they say fold it in on itself or double up. And a lot of times what I'll do is I'll take my needle and I will poke it through this side. And then I have to make sure that it's going straight through the middle of the inside. Okay, see, right like that. And then, okay, make sure that I didn't accidentally, there we go. And then I take this and tie them together a couple, 3 times. And sometimes I'll run them through the inside to make it even more secure. I'm not going to do that today. And then you have yourself a hat. And you can put a little ball on top. I think I'm going to use this one. Just like that. Hat.